All right, guys, welcome to the channel. If you've been rocking with me, I appreciate you. Um, first cup on the first video and everything, trying out this streaming while I go through my forex journey. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't know me already, because I have some of my people from my group who are tuning in with me. They're going to be trading with me as well. I go by AB the Ghost on Telegram and just here documenting my journey, uh, trading, trade smart money with ICT, who's the godfather of smart money concepts. Uh, so I'm going to be going along with some of the stuff that he teaches and some other concepts from the smart money concepts. The view that I'm going to that's basically what I'm going to be trading. Yesterday we took a win and a loss. We took a loss first, and then we broke even. Whoever got in that trade, I was actually thinking that GU was going to actually go higher than it did, but basically what we're looking for is some things that happened like yesterday. Yesterday we seen this high here, and I'm paying attention to market structure going up and down. Like I said, this is a learning experience. It took out these lows over here, took out all these lows. Actually, this low, and it came down to, I believe, here, and then it rallied up. So this is what I was actually paying attention to, and high, lower low, and then it kept rallying up a little bit and went lower. So I saw this last night from here, and I seen that it shot up. So what we did was we got in here and rolled it up to the top, and then it broke down, right? And then it broke down. It came down, and I should have seen it. Actually, should have seen it when the structure broke right here. It was a clean structure break, and I don't know what made me just go break even. So this was a clean structure break right here. This was a structure break bow, and then it came down again. It broke again. So I should have been able to get into that trade, and it was late. It was around, yeah, it was four something in the morning, and I was looking at the charts at like 12:30 to like 1 maybe. I started getting on the charts. So yeah, that's basically what happened. So now what we do is we react. We react to what the charts give us. So we see a downward momentum. I had this drawn out like a while ago. There's an area down here under all of this liquidity, because that's exactly what price feeds off of. That's a nice liquidity pool right there. And we have, oops, we have news events that's actually taking place tomorrow. So we have a few news events, and we will label this sell side liquidity, right? Because it's on the sell side, so sell side liquidity. So that will be our next target. To get in, I would say price will rally up, because if we look at the DXY, um, we have this fair value gap We have this fair value gap here. We have this order block here. This is on a 15-minute time frame, so we have potential targets here. It's target one. We have another target here. Most likely we'll pass this one. This one is iffy. We have fair value gap here. So what I would like to see is a little rally up, probably take that high, and then we'll probably fall back down, or we can fall down here and then rally up. Either way, whatever price gives us. Let's look on a higher time frame. A higher time frame is showing us uh, that is still bullish. Yeah, higher time frame is showing that we're still bullish. Um, we did have a breaker structure down here. We had a few actually, so it could change to go to the downside once it comes back up here. So that I actually would like to see what price does uh during the Asia session and see what price actually goes to. But if price comes to here, I would say that it will probably continue going, and that's the same for GU because if the dollar is going down, that means this is going up. So it probably will come back up here and then sell back down towards the sell side liquidity where we have here in this nice area of interest. It's probably gonna hit there. So that's what I see so far. We have some news events. We have Powell speaking. My boy Powell be killing the markets for everybody. You know what I'm saying? He be making people money and blowing people's accounts. So that's basically it. We will see exactly what happens when everything starts moving again. We're reaching the afternoon session, so I do not like trading after 11 because the market basically has done everything already. Also, you know what? If y'all take a look at this Sessions by Lux Algo, this thing right here is amazing. You have to add the sessions in according to your time. I always trade off of New York time, which is UTC -4. That's the time that's actually the time zone I'm in currently, but that's also the time zone that ICT teaches everyone how to trade in. That's the time zone. So that's basically what I do personally. Uh, one thing I will say that I have learned just by looking at the charts. This is without ICT or anything like that. Basically, what happens is every single time a liquidity point has been taken, right? We price will end up moving in the opposite direction, which is which is amazing, like a high point and a low point. So, for example, we have two 2 points. Let's see, of 2 points. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a horizontal line. So we have this point up here is green, and I'm gonna put this point down here too, right? So what I've noticed is that every single time that price breaks a level, so like for example, look at this. This is a clean example right here. This is a range. We're gonna actually make this white just for this right now. So the previous range is white and the older range is green, right? So the range is here, right? So from up here to down here is the range, the new range, right? What happens is price came up, it took liquidity here, and guess what? It reversed, came back down, came back down, created a new low, and it took liquidity out of here and reached a point because we're actually going up now. So this is the let me see. I'm gonna show y'all on a 1 hour time frame. Just to let me turn this off real quick. All right. See, as you can see, we're going up, right? Oh wait, wrong side. All right, there we go. So as you can see, we were going up, right? We're going up. So because we're already going up, every single time price comes down is coming to an area where it has to mitigate or it has to fill in either a fair value gap, uh, even a gap, any type of gap or order block, or even breaker block. That's where price would go on the way up. So let's go back. So as we saw, let me see, we were here. Dang. All right, there we go. All right, so like I was saying before, price came down. So we're focusing on here. So price came down, and because we're going up, it hit this fair value gap, and there is a order block right below it. So what happened was price came down, hit it, and flew back up higher, taking out the buy side liquidity. Because it took out buy side, where is the next point that is going to take out? Because price is fueled by liquidity. That's what it seeks every day, every time. It doesn't matter. So basically, in order for it to reverse, or it could continue up, depending on the higher time frame. Um, what price usually does is it seeks liquidity and breaks back down take in liquidity on the sell side. It's this beautiful area interest right here that could be, and now it rallies back up, taking up the buy side. So now the next point of interest is taking out sell side again because price already took out the high. So you see how like liquidity is always it's always like the fuel basically. That's basically what it is. So the next area of interest would be definitely sell side liquidity going lower than here and here because of these relative equal lows here, bringing us down to this area of interest that we have down here. Once we see that, so I would say for the next 2 days, it would probably sell off, and then we can probably catch a buy going up, going for the buy side liquidity. And once it passes here, I can honestly, I think I would be confident enough that it would continue higher. Once it comes here, I feel like it will continue higher. So I want to say that price most likely would come here, filling in that fair value gap into here, and then go higher. Yep. Hmm, something along those lines. Now, if you are a swing trader, I would say that if you was to get in down here, or even if it goes a little bit lower than there, and anyway, if you get in somewhere in this area down here, like from the area interest, and if price goes lower, like around this area, if you get in here and you hold this up, that's a lot of pips. Like let's just say we get in here, yeah, wow, y'all see the numbers, y'all see the numbers. That's a lot. So yeah, that's basically what I see so far. Let me just go back to the dollar and see what the dollar's doing. Yeah, it. So let's look at. We're on the hourly chart right now. It took out these relative equal highs. Let me just let me just put that there. It took liquidity at the top. All right. So because it took out liquidity there, I would say that its next move is to go back down. That was last night because we had a winner supposedly, but we broke even. Let's see. We have 2 points of interest there, but I feel like it's gonna go even lower. You have even these lows, and we have like a huge breaker structure a few times here and now here. It took out the high up here, so it could go up and then come back down, or it can just go down. Either way, this is on the hour time frame, y'all. So we are going liquidity hunting. So every single time I approach the chart, we are going to try to see if we can go liquidity hunting. Now that I look at it on a bigger scale, it looks like it's probably going to go lower. I think the next area of interest will probably be here for a pullback and then going down. It's going on a smaller time frame. I really want price to come back up and fail and then go lower. But as we know, price can do whatever it wants. It's not what we want. Also, a little later on today, I'll probably go live again for basically what I'm going to be looking for every single time I approach the market. Just do a whole market breakdown and try to see if we can get something going, something going, and to make it more interesting. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I want to do. But again, I've been trading. I've been trading for a while, and I haven't been. I'm gonna be honest. I've had consistent runs. Basically, it took me a while actually to find a strategy of trading and what makes sense to me. Basically, I started trading back in like 2015, and when I started trading, I joined IML. You don't need to join IML, but I did. You know what I'm saying? But I did not like it. People even said that it felt like a cult. It did feel like a cult to me, sort of. I felt like if you wasn't in IML, then you wouldn't be able to learn how to trade. So I'll give it to them with their marketing skills. With their marketing skills, I feel like they knew exactly what they were doing when they came out, but there are way better people to learn from. Uh, you have ICT, you have Prosperity Academy. Shout out to them. I follow both. Prosperity Academy actually encouraged me to want to get on YouTube and actually document my experience. And when you're on the computer and everything, everything is a little bit more pressure. You feel me? Like right now, I'm new to this, so it's like I'm new to streaming and everything, so it's like I'm I'm a little nervous. I don't want to embarrass myself out there. Don't get me wrong, even the greats end up being wrong sometimes, so I'm not like really. that nervous, but I'm nervous because I'm putting myself out there. It takes a lot of guts, a lot of balls. You feel me? So, you know, but I had a really good run. I guess later on I will be able to show, like once I figure out how to do this whole streaming thing, I will be able to show y'all um some of my things that I've been doing good on. Let me actually, you know what? Let me see. I have my group here. Shout out to ICT Queen also. Um, she's really good. Okay, so all right, so look at this. This was last night. I got in late because I actually got in pretty late, but it's all right because I didn't risk that much. Um, yep, I didn't risk that much. These my streams. Okay, it actually hit my TP1. But yeah, let me get into some of my winning streaks. It I put all trades on here, winning and losing, so it doesn't matter. But yesterday we had a good break even. Again, I was a little nervous, so I was looking to see. I was getting a little too technical, and I can't be like that. Actually, if you get too technical, then you're you're gonna start flip flopping and everything. But yeah, here's my journal. Um, this is right before it happened. I was assuming that it was gonna actually go lower than higher, but it actually went higher first, then lower. It's on its way lower now. Um, Here goes another trade with gold. That was good. Did that. There we go. Yep, that was good. It was a good trade. This was a good trade as well. That was with gold. Yep. This was US oil. US 30. That was a good trade. But yeah, I have a journal. If you don't have a journal, then you're not documenting your trading journey, then you guys are doing the wrong thing. Right now, I'm just getting used to being on on YouTube. I guess this will be like a very I want to say conservative video now that I'm getting a little comfortable, and you know that's just what I'm doing personally, me personally, on this video. But you guys will start seeing like my actual reactions and how I carry myself. I'm being a little, like I said, a little intimidated right now by being live on YouTube. But I'm gonna give y'all some really good content, some really good trading ideas. We're gonna do great on this channel. That's all this channel is for, to do great, to be great, to try to help others. If y'all have questions, you can ask me. You know what I'm saying? It's funny because like I don't know if I'm talking all this time. Need to see if I'm actually Okay. All right, cool. So I could hear myself on my phone, so I actually was. All right, that's good. So yeah, again, we here basically to go to war with the banks and try to get as much money as we can. We robbing the banks. That's what I always say when I hit the charts. My grandmother asked me, "What you doing? What you doing?" I'd be like, "Yo, mom, I'm robbing the banks." Why are you robbing the banks from here? Trading, ma. Oh, okay. You should see. Sometimes I get so excited with trading that I actually put on a flag, like a bandit mask, like as if I'm in the Wild Wild West about to rob a train in the middle of nowhere. That's how I feel sometimes when I get on the charts. I'm not even going cap. Sometimes especially when I'm hitting a winning streak and I know like all my trades are hitting, which we will see. You guys will see how hype I get. Man, yo, I be jumping on the charts and playing some crazy music and having fun. I'll be in the chat. Um, I'll be in my chat. I'm gonna leave the chat in the description. Uh, expressing how we be feeling. You know what I'm saying? So, matter of fact, I might as well. I might make a new chat for everyone who rocks with me. How about that? To document the journey. You know what I'm saying? Have uh, ideas, trade ideas, see what we see. It's all good. We can do that. Build a community. We'll be free. We don't need to charge because we're gonna be making money on 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 the charts. So you don't need to charge for that. But yeah. So one more time, we are. Oh, let's see this. Actually, you know what's funny? I'm getting off topic here, but I did see this on GJ. I did see this. It's just crazy. I could have gotten in this trade here and actually taken it here. That's wild. I would have been up, up. We all would have been up. But it's all right. It's always next time. Marcus ain't going anywhere as of right now. ICT, when he speaks volume. Obviously, when he talks, he knows something. He knows something is going on. He knows something is not right. So when he says that, the markets, you know, it could be shut down for the average people like me and you. And that gets me on my red alert. Like, yo, we gotta do the best that we can while we can before they try to take away this this platform that we generate money with. You know what I'm saying? We lose and we win. Our job from now on, including me, I made it a mission, and that's why I'm doing this to try to get on a winning streak for as long as I can, and not only that, to try to help others out with trading as well. So that's basically the main goal, the main idea, and that's what I'm trying to do here. So feel free to hit me up again. The link for I'm gonna actually make a new Telegram channel for everyone who wants to rock with me. It's gonna be free. Obviously, I'm not gonna charge because we here to make money. I'm not charging for my time. If y'all have any questions, just hit me up. I'm in New York, so just if you want to get in touch with me, just be mindful that I'm in New York, so I'll go off of New York time. Even if I was in another country or another state, I'll still be going off of New York time. I travel and everything as well. So yeah, and also we're gonna do some reaction videos. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do some reaction videos. We're gonna do some reaction videos to people actually doing good and people that that actually do bad. You know what I'm saying? So little motivation and pick me up. That's what we're gonna do on the channel. Uh, yeah, that's basically it. So now I'm starting to get a little comfortable, as you can see. Um, Definitely gonna make a few more videos. I'm gonna stream a lot more, a lot more with my voice. So y'all know it's a real person instead of a robot. AI taking over and all that shit. We have, I don't know if y'all trade crypto and everything, but I know someone who does, so I might bring him on the stream a couple of times just to get a market overview. Also, if you trade oil, I have a friend that really close friend. He knows a lot about oil. He trades on higher time frames too. And I got a couple other people that I trade with that I will bring on as well. So we got some things in store for you guys. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to be just me being on the charts and me talking about what I feel or what I want to happen. But I'm here to also motivate you guys. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people that have stories. Um, I just want everyone to prosper, basically. So, with that being said, look for the link in the description for Telegram. We're gonna get on this again. To those who took that trade with me yesterday, thank you. Thank whoever was rocking with me last night. Thank you for rocking with me. I appreciate it. Um, Again, we're gonna do it tonight. We're gonna do actually two streams today. Two more streams. We're gonna actually stream a little bit about myself, my background, what I've been through in the trading community. Um, we're gonna also do like a little market overview of, again, just to make sure that what we see is what we see. And then after that, we're gonna get back on later on in the night to stream, and we're gonna, take off from there. Right now, as I said before, with the dollar going up, this should head down, and then hopefully it'll go back up or whatever the dollar gives us. So basically, the DXY, if the DXY goes up, that means GU is going down. If GU goes down, then we can expect, because look, it already took liquidity here, right? It already took liquidity here. So it's just crazy, but it is what it is. So it took liquidity there already. It grabbed. So we're waiting. I'm actually waiting for price to go lower. I actually want price to go lower than all this, but it's not what we want again. It's what we see. So hopefully it's like price will come back up here in this area. Price might come back in this area, and it's not for sure, but who knows? Price can do what it wants to do. But if price does that, we can expect to see the dollar play around for a little bit. If this continues down and then goes back up and then comes back down, that'll be nice too. So we're just gonna wait and see. Be patient. Patience in this in forex. patience is always key. Like you have to be patient. You have to be. Because if you jump in the market like what we did yesterday, which it was like I said, it wasn't a bad trade. We seen 20 pips, right? We seen about 20 pips. So from up here, from here to here, which is crazy because this was when price took off, and ICT says anywhere. I forgot the low number, but I know it can't go over like 35 or 40 pips. If it goes over that, then it's not good. It's not good to trade that concept. But we had a Judas swing, as you can see. It rallied up and it broke structure down, came back and fell down. Typical Judas swing. Don't know why I didn't see it. I saw it, but I don't know why I didn't go along with it, especially after it broke structure here. And then it came back and it even gave us a entry here to get in for the sell down. That would have been beautiful. I don't know why. Perfect entry too. Perfect entry too. You could have had right here. Look at this. Can't make this up. That entry you would have had no drawdown. So you can take take liquidity, break a structure, look for an entry point, and ride. That's basically it. Right here, right here. Liquidity sweep, break a structure, find entry point, hold on tight. Yeah, guys, we're gonna have our own. We're gonna have our own lingo and all of that. You heard? We're gonna have our own lingo. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna have our own lingo. Hot means hold on tight. There you go. Fire, fire. Hot means hold on tight. We hot right now. We holding on tight. So that's what that's what we doing. That's the model we gonna go for, and we're gonna use ICT and smart money to get us there. We're gonna do challenges as well. You know what I'm saying? Once the channel grows, I don't see why not. If we all trading together, I see why not. You know what I'm saying? We gonna help the community make some money. Little breakdowns in here and there and all that stuff. Also, I have to, you know what? I should have said it in the beginning of the video, but I have to put it in here. If you do trade with me, if you trade alongside me, or if you take the same entry as I do while watching me, please know I am not a financial professional. This is not financial advice. This is the real market, and you can win or you can lose money. And when you place a trade, even if you're trading alongside me, you're trading at your own risk. You also have to leverage. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Later on, we're gonna talk about that because ICT earlier, I think it was Sunday. Yes, ICT preached about that. Leveraging your account. See, if I actually didn't put a stop loss and I actually risked more than what I wanted to risk, like if I didn't hear ICT the other day, which was on Sunday, guess what? I would have blew the account. I would have blew the account and be like, yo, you know what? I got more money. Let me just add more money into the trading account. No, no. So the thing is, we don't want to give the market, we don't want to give the brokers or the banks any more of our money. That's what we have to do. We have to prevent the banks from taking our money. A win is a win. No matter if you put a micro lot, a mini lot, a standard lot, it doesn't matter. A win is a win. A win, you actually won money regardless. And if you're trading a demo, do it. Treat the demo as if it's your live account, please. Like if you trade a demo, that's the only account that you could get a demo with ever. You need to treat it like that because that's how we're gonna get better. You know what I'm saying? Um, Whoever is new to trading, you can also hit me up for um a broker that you can use to to trade a demo with and everything. Open up a demo account and everything. Like I have different brokers that people would most likely want to use. So yeah, that's basically it. But how we gonna trade is basically liquidity sweep, what we're seeing, a break of structure, and we're gonna find a entry point, and we're gonna hold on tight. We're going hot. We're going in hot. All right. And then also this is also another thing. Actually, you know what? Nah, we could keep it like that. Yeah, so if y'all just tune in. That's all I gotta say. Great things are coming, great things are happening. It happens. This liquidity break a structural find entry point and holding on tight. That happens on every chart. Every chart doesn't matter. Look, look at this. Matter of fact, let's go. Actually, no, because I actually already know with GJ, it's on an upward trend, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, just draw it out for y'all, just to show y'all what I mean. You see, I already had this there. Look at this. Look, can't make this up. I should have took this yesterday. Liquidity sweep, liquidity streak sweep, break a structure, find entry point here is the entry point. Sell off, hold on tight. That's all we got. Look, it's right there. I don't. That's exactly what we do. That's how I do it. Literally, what you saw here, liquidity sweep, break a structure, find entry point, hold on tight. That's it. That's basically it. And then look for your next target area. The next target obviously was the next low. We can go lower. You know what I'm saying? So it all depends on what we see. What the chart gives us is exactly what it's going to give us. That's it. And our job is to actually react to it. We can't predict. We can look and see what's possible, but we have to, remain we have to be possible in both ways. It can't be just whatever we see and then we do it right there. No, no, it doesn't happen like that. So now, what is the dollar? I keep saying that I'm gonna get off, but Like I said, we get too excited. The next liquidity point is under here, and then we have a liquidity point up here because it's like, yeah, it took liquidity, sweeped it just a little bit, but they're like relative equal highs. So still, we can still go above it and then come lower, go lower. Pause. Anyway, also, I like US 30 as well. US 30 is that you already know. Liquidity sweep, entry point is here. Entry point, hold on tight. So yeah, if y'all, like I said, man, if y'all like the video, like and subscribe, please show your boy some love. Like I said, I'm gonna put the link in the description for the chat, and we're gonna go up. We going up from here, and you guys want to see, like I said, reaction videos, um, reaction to trading, and there's a few people I want to react to, and these kids, these people are amazing with trading. You feel me? These people are, you know, amazing, amazing. So we gonna do our thing. This is only the beginning. We going up from here. That's all I gotta say. We going up. We going hard, and we're gonna, yeah. That's all. Period. We going hard. All right, so rock with me. This is what we look like right now, and we just gotta wait. Guys, thank you for allowing me to, you know, stream with you guys and everything. And that's it. That is it.